Hi, Ate Beng! Happy 50th birthday. Oh, 50, golden girl ka na, Ate Beng. Oh my God! How old tayo nagkakilala? I think right around 19 something, no? In school? Then, who would have thought na with our friendship would last this long, and we are not just best friends, but we are like sisters from different mothers, and you know how special you are to me, my dearest Ate Beng, and all I can really wish for you is, I know parang you already have everything, and I see how happy you are as you realize your dreams, as you enjoy this wonderful time with your kids, with your family, traveling. And naalala ko way back nung we were still single, our conversations of what we dream of, no, pagdating ng panahon. But what I do remember is yung pinag-usapan natin na pag matanda na tayo, and come what may in our future lives, we'll always find time to have our time together, to either go to the casino, mag slot machine, or mag bingo, or whatever old yet vibrant and still beautiful ladies like we are, now we'll spend together. And I'd always, whenever I tell people I love, my friends, my family, especially the kids, know of how we met, it really made a mark na who you are as a person. You see beyond you see beyond what normal or the eyes could see, because you knew then, you didn't know who I am, ba? Who I was, and you were in school, tapos I come to school just reading the paper, and I was sitting next to you, and I don't have a book kasi galing pa ako ng work, or I think hindi ako galing ng, galing ako ng work, and sabi mo, sino ba tong suplada na to? Hindi nakikipag-usap, tas wala naman dalang libro. And then you offered your book to me. You shared your book to me. And that was the beginning of a lifelong friendship and sisterhood with you. And I couldn't thank God enough, no, for sending an angel into my life in your form. We've worked together, we've been friends, we've lived together, we have seen each other's, alam mo na, mga pet peeves, we've had our fights, we've had a taste of heartbreak, our taste of frustrations in the workplace, in the people that we work with. And of course, syempre, kung merong mga ganong difficult times, we've also shared the most important time in the lives of each other. You're my maid of honor, I'm your matron of honor, you're ninang of my firstborn. Diba, of course, hindi na pwedeng baligtaran. But you really are someone who's important in my life, and all I could really wish for you is that you have this special day, you feel more special than any other day, and you feel more blessed and more grateful, and just to celebrate you. I love you, Ate Beng. And happy birthday again. And I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Love you.
Hi Ate Beng, it's me Ryan. Sorry ha, I did not do a video greetings kasi hindi ko pa nahanap yung totoong angulo ng mukha ko. So kahit ako hanggang ngayon naguguluhan pa rin kung saan yung angulo ko. So I hope this voice recorder or voice recorded message is enough for you. I know naman it's enough for you. Kasi lagi namang lahat ng mga sinasabi ko at ginagawa ko okay sa'yo. So anyway, just wanna greet you a happy... Ilang taon na nga ba? Gosh, I lost track of your age. You know why? Because it seems you have not aged at all. Charing. Since the last time I saw you in 2014. Grabe, it's been 10 years. Anong number na ba kasi talaga gamit mo para magamit ko din? Anyways, Ate Beng, happiest birthday. I'm glad that you have celebrated your birthday in the land of the free and the home of the brave with your whole family. I know it's a dream come true for you. Lalo na ngayon that the kids were all grown up, mas na-enjoy na nila yung tour. Or should I say na mas na-enjoy na yung buong pamilya ang pag-tour sa US. Siyempre, I hope that you and Elmerson had fireworks in all the states you have visited. Alam mo kung anong ibig kong sabihin. I wish you all the best, most especially good health, Ate Beng. May God always protect you and your whole family to any kind of harm. Andito lang ako palagi. Okay? I'm just a message away. I'm just a call away. Happy birthday. And I hope you had a blast sa States. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tita Venus!
Stay healthy, stay happy, stay beautiful.
And stay strong.
Hi, Tibay. I wish you in your birthday, good health, more birthdays to come, and enjoy your day. We love you from Baguio City.
Happy birthday! Go, go, go!
Hi Bing! Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! Enter the golden age. And I'm wishing you all the best. I know that you have everything. You have happy family and also you have beautiful and obedient children. I'm so happy for what you reach right now and more blessing to come so that you can share also your blessing to us. And I'm so grateful that you are here. Sometimes when my shortcomings, you are there always, and also for your family, also Nelmer. So again, happy birthday and wishing you more blessing in the years to come. I love you and welcome home.
Mayo home ko, anay. Kumusta? Nakamodera tanan, Bing? By the way, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Dugay na gid tang walang kita na no, dugay na gid. Pero okay lang. At least gwapa man tagyapon, over. Isa ako sa mga nalipay, sa mga achievements mo sa kabuhi. Ilabi na gid kun paano mo ginabuligan ang mga utod mo, going down sa hinablos mo, sa mga hinablos, friends and relatives. Ilabi na gid kay Nini Imay. So padayuna lang ang imong mapinalanggaon nga attitude, mabinuligon, cause they are saying love is caring and sharing down. Di ba? Nga si Auntie Marian mo sa imo sobra over. So once again, happy birthday with abundance of love, happiness, and health at the most. Okay. Hugs and kisses dira sa inyong tanan. From Lebanon war zone. Kabalo naman ka mo siguro. So, bye-bye for now. See you soon. I love you all.
Hello, Beng! Happy birthday! And hello Nelmer, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa ni Beng. Wish ko sa inyong dalawa ay palaging malusog at ligtas sa anumang sakunang darating. Ipagpatuloy nyo ang inyong kagandahang puso, kabutihan, naway marami pang taon ang iyong pagsasamahan at kahit na anong dumating na pagsubok sa inyong pagsasama ay inyong malalagpasan dahil alam ko na palagi niyong inuuna ang Panginoon. Maraming salamat din sa pagtulong sa akin dahil isa rin kayo sa rason kung bakit ako nakainom ng gamot ngayon. Maraming salamat and happy birthday!
Hello, Beng! Happy 50th birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, naway tagaan pa taog maayong panglawas sa Ginoo kasi may kasabihan nga, health is wealth. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nelmer! Happy birthday, Ate Beng!
Hello po, Ate Beng, Kuya. Happy birthday po. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Beng. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ginagawa niyo para sa amin. We love you. Ingat po and more blessings to come. Bye po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Nelmer and Ate Beng. Our family is so blessed to have you both. Thank you for everything. And enjoy more blessings to come. We love you! Love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Beng. Thank you po for everything, for all of your help, and sa lahat ng pag-aasikaso niyo po sa amin. I hope that you are filled with or surrounded by love, by people around the world. Kailangan pa English.
Happy birthday, Ate Beng. Everyone knows how loving, caring, supportive, and generous you are. For that, we are truly grateful that we have you in our lives. And this is our time to show you how much we appreciate you. So sana nagustuhan mo yung maliit naming surprise para sa'yo. Wishing you a wonderful birthday as you are. We love you!
Hello, Kuya Nelmer and Ate Beng. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Ang message ko lang kay Kuya Nelmer muna is, Kuya Nelmer, thank you for being a kuya anyone could ask for. You embody what it means to be a loving kuya. Not just to me, but to all of us, to everyone around you. And for that, I am always grateful. And ang wish ko sana is palagi kang healthy. Yun lang talaga importante. Laging healthy and huwag masyadong stress. And sana palagi ka rin happy, of course. And ayun na, miss you and I love you. Sana makavisit din kayo dito sa England soon. And to Ate Beng, happy birthday as well po. Gusto ko lang sabihin is that we are so grateful to have you in our lives. You are such a precious gift to all of us. Your kindness knows no bounds and your heart is as big as they come. And today, it's our turn to shower you with all that love in return. And the wish ko lang palagi din is good health and more blessings and happiness to the whole family. Ayun, thank you. And kahit malayo man kami, malayo man tayo sa isa't isa, I'm just a message away or a call away. Sana makadalo kayo dito sa England soon. And that's it. Enjoy. Thank you. Love you.
Happy birthday, kuya ko. And happy birthday, Ate Beng. You're still fabulous at 50. Your kind heart and infectious spirit and care for us, have made a positive impact in our lives. Thank you so much for everything you do and you're still doing for all of us. And we always thank the Father in heaven for every day for the both of you. I love you too so much and hope to see you soon and sana makadalaw kayo dito. Nakita ko sa bintana ng bahay na parang hinog na yung mga apples ng kapitbahay. Kaya nagpunta ako dito, nagtataka ako bakit di pa sila namimigay. Dami oh. Tapos nagkalat lang. Look how dami.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang birthday, maligayang birthday, maligayang birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Beng. Thank you so much po sa mga binibigay niyo pong gift sa amin at gift sa aming magpipinsan at sa aming dalawa ni Celia at suporta po. Ingat po kayo lagi sa mga biyahe niyo po.
Thank you, Tita Beng. Happy birthday din po. Thank you po sa mga supports na binibigay niyo po sa amin. And sumali kami din po sa aming mga Thank you po and God bless you po.
Happy birthday po, Tita Neverson.
Belated happy birthday po, Tita Nelmer.
Happy birthday po, Tita Beng.
Eh, Tita Beng, happy birthday po. Good luck po sa lahat and more birthdays to come po.
Thank you po, Tita Beng, sa mga regalo niyo po sa amin. At continue po to bless other people. Yun lang po. Sana po matapad po mga hiling niyo po. Yun
Happy
lang
birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Belated happy birthday. Belated happy birthday, Tita Nelmerson, and happiest birthday, Tita Beng. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi.
Happy birthday po, Tita. May all your wishes come true and always wishing you good luck po. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday po.
Belated happy birthday, Tito Nelmer, and happy birthday, Tita Beng. More than an aunt who always gives out gifts, I remember you more for being the aunt who helped her niece with her valedictorian speech and gave her life lessons. So I hope you succeed in life in inspiring others more. Happy birthday again, Tita Beng.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tata. I love you and miss you.
Hi Ate Beng, good morning and happy birthday. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you for being a good example to us. Ang dami namin natutunan regarding sa buhay, especially when it comes to our finances, planning for our future, and be thankful on what blessings we ever had, and share it with others. Ang wish ko sa iyo is to have a good health, long life. Wala naman akong maisip na ibang wish kasi halos lahat naman ng pangarap mo sa buhay is natupad mo na. So again, happy birthday. See you soon. And enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Beng. More birthdays to come. Sana bigyan ka pa ng kalakasin ng katawan. At salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin. Kahit pasaway ako. Happy birthday ulit. I love you. Lagi. Ingat po palagi.
Hello, Ate Beng. It's me, your one and only sister. Don't worry. Isipin mo na lang yung pinakamaganda kong picture para mas memorable. Then, i-edit mo na lang tong boses ko. happy birthday, and I want to take this opportunity to say thank you very, 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 very much. Aside from kay Mama at kay Papa, I owe you a lot. And you've been there ng time na feeling ko ayoko na, naiyak na ako. Salamat sa lahat, and alam ko hindi ko naman totally mababalik lahat ng favor na binigay mo, but I assure you na lahat ng natutunan ko sa'yo ay magagamit ko in the future, and I will pay back dun sa mga taong mangangailangan din ng tulong ko. Maraming salamat dahil sa'yo unti-unti nandito ako, unti-unti nakakabangon ako. Sana hindi ka magsawang tumulong sa mga kagaya namin. And I wish you more birthdays to come. Maraming salamat dahil hindi lang financially, emotionally, tsaka yung mga pangmean na message binigay mo sa amin. Thank you po. I wish you all the best and good health, lalo na sa inyong lahat, sa buong family. Maraming salamat, and enjoy life. Enjoy, and God bless you more.
And belated happy birthday po Tito Nelmer, and happy birthday po Tita Beng. Enjoy po kayo sa vacation nyo, and ingat po kayo palagi.
Hi, Beng! Ayan, para-paraan daw, para lang makapagbate. Happy birthday! Thank you sa pagiging supportive and generous sa amin, sa mga pamangkin, lalo na kay Mama. Wish ko sa iyo unang-una is to have a good health. Don't forget na mag-invest sa sarili mo. Remember, health is wealth. Pangalawang wish ko is stability sa work mo, because I know isa yun sa mga worries mo. I'm hoping na yung company will continue to appreciate all the efforts, all the hard work na binibigay mo sa trabaho mo. And then, wish ko rin na patuloy na magkaroon ka ng blissful marriage, to which I commend Nelmer for being your partner. Bayaw, good job, and belated happy birthday din sa'yo. And last, wish ko is more success and more blessings, so you can continue to be a blessing to more people. And congratulations sa US trip nyo, dahil naalala ko nung maliit tayo sa probinsya dati, sinasabi mo talaga na gusto mo mag-abroad and pumunta ng Amerika. Well, big time congratulations, kasi finally na-achieve mo yon, and what a better way na gawin yun, or better timing na gawin yun sa 50th birthday mo. So congrats again, and stay safe lagi, and love you again. Baliktad sila. Welcome to the club. Bye.
Hi, Bing! Happy birthday! I love you and I miss you na.
Ano pa? Ano pa gusto mong sabihin?
Wala na, iiyak ako.
Kasi ayaw mo iiyak lang. Sige na. Bakit? Di ba, pasalamat ka. Ano binibigay niya?
Iiyak ako eh.
Eh, di umiyak ka. Ano naman ngayon?
Ay, ano? Hindi ko makapagsalita. Naiiyak ako eh.
Eh, di magpasalamat ka na sa lahat. Eh, ano naman ngayon kung umiyak ka? Na mama. Magpasalamat ka lang sa lahat. Yun lang gusto mo sabihin? Harap dito. Paano ka babati ka kaya Tebeng hindi ka nakaharap? Bati na. Bati na eh.
Bing, happy birthday at salamat sa lahat-lahat. Na pagmamahal na binigay mo sa akin. Salamat.
Dati ba kulang na naman ata yung allowance kaya umiiyak si ma'am. Mag-happy birthday ka na uli. Dali. Mag-happy birthday ka na uli.
Happy birthday, Bing. Sana dagdagan pa at pahabain pa ng Panginoon yung buhay mo. Salamat sa lahat-lahat.
Okay na?
Tamak nila.
At naninipa ka.